Now to new developments in the case of the former probate court clerk who admitted to taking hundreds of thousands of dollars from people whose finances she was sworn to safeguard. Now Kim Birge is back in a Chatham County courtroom. News 3's Martin Staunton joins us now with why. Martin.
Trish, it's because Kim Birge is set for release from a federal prison unofficially called Camp Cupcake at the end of this year, and local prosecutors want the new year to start with new state charges against the disgraced former chief clerk. This is a mugshot of Birge as she's been returned to Chatham County from West Virginia, where she's been held since her 2015 federal conviction, where prosecutors say she wrote herself more than $750,000 in checks drawn from the accounts of 31 minors, 2 incapacitated adults, and 2 estates. News 3 spoke with the lawyer representing some of those victims in a civil suit back in May.
The largest victim was Matthew Drayton. $232,000 was the exact amount of insurance she stole. A lot of people from Imperial Sugar who lost their fathers.
Birge's bond hearing and arraignment on 39 new state charges were held in Superior Court Thursday. Charges in the indictment include racketeering. All 6 Superior Court judges recused themselves, and a special judge will preside. Birge appealed her 5-year federal sentence in 2016, but the appellate court ruled Birge knew or should have known that the victims of her scheme were vulnerable. The guardian for one of Birge's victims painfully recalled the day she found out her nephew's money had been stolen.
I felt like somebody had just took my whole heart out. How do you go home and tell a 9-year-old that has lost his mom, that has a single woman that has worked hard all her life to provide for him, and now there's not a dime?
Birge is pleading not guilty to the list of new charges. Bond was set at $50,000. And according to new court documents, Birge forged and altered paperwork to steal tens of thousands of more dollars between 2009 and June of 2011. Crimes reportedly uncovered after her federal conviction. Her trial is expected to start in January. Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.